Today is 354 day that I upload a daily lesson to support your dreams, your goals, to become the person you want to become. Every single day I share a lesson that I learn and I'm learning. And today I'm learning a lesson about decision making and leadership. So that means when you're a leader in a team, how you're supposed to make decisions. So I grew up with my dad, who was an amazing leader, and he used to lead by commanding and telling exactly what people need to do. People trust him because he had a lot of expertise. But I think about myself, most of my life I used to live and leading by telling what people need to do. But I realized and learned there is more ways how you can lead team and how you're able to influence the team and how you're able to make decisions in a team. So today I will share 4 ways how to make decisions in the team and 4 questions that you could ask to help to realize which one way you're supposed to use. So first one, of course, is command. It is the fastest way to make decisions, and you can move very fast, but at the same time you don't get input. It's a high chance to make mistake. Second is consult. So that means you're looking for someone who has expertise and you could share some inputs, but you always need to make sure that when you consult someone, you always let them know that I will make a shot, I will make a decision, I'm just looking for input, so that they do not take that ownership of decision. The third one is vote. So that means that you are getting people who are stakeholders and they're able to vote what decision could be the best for the team. And then fourth is consensus. So that means every single team member needs to approve the decision, because if someone doesn't approve the decision, it might be that team will slow down. So that consensus is very, very important for specific questions and specific problems. So let's look what kind of questions you're supposed to ask to really decide which decision-making way you can use. So first one is who cares? Who cares? Who could be influenced by this decision? So when you answer the question, that sometimes could be that no one will be influenced, and it's just a random question that is nobody cares. So that means you could use potentially consulting if that's very important for you, or you can use command. No one will be influenced and everyone will take responsibility for your decision, and no one will be disappointed. So of course, because you want to move fast, so you use command or consult. Now second question is who knows or who has expertise. So that means, of course, when you ask who has expertise, then it means that you're supposed to use consulting. So that means you go to expert, explain that you are looking for some input, ask some expertise on specific matter, and then you make a decision after consulting that expert in the field. Then third question is who's supposed to be involved in decision making. So this is looking for team members who will be influenced by the decision. So that means you allow every single person who will be influenced by that decision to have a vote. And of course, when you have a vote, people will feel listened and they will be more inclined to join the movement and changing something in a team and changing and making the decision happen. Now, the fourth question is who must agree? Who must agree? So that a lot of times when you think about decisions, that every single person must agree to move forward, because if someone doesn't agree, they will slow the team down. So that every team member needs to agree. So that means you go in the team and ask, okay, let's make this happen and let's discuss until we'll be finished. So that means that consensus is the slowest of all, but at the same time, when you make a decision, every single person will be on board. So of course, command is the fastest, consensus is the slowest, and there is in between as consulting and voting. And I truly believe that those 4 ways how to make decisions and 4 questions really helps to decide by yourself which one you're supposed to use. And for me, it was a great lesson, and I hope this lesson will help you to realize what kind of leadership you want to use with the team and really start implementing those questions to allow yourself to be better leader, influence people around yourself better, and really make your team faster, because I truly believe that people are supposed to be able to use all of them, because if you use consensus too often, people start lose credibility in you because they think that you're not able to call the shots. While if you use all the command, people believe that you do not care about your team. So that means when you use all of them in your leadership, I truly believe that you are able to become the best leader of all. I hope you'll choose to win, and see you tomorrow.